In 2023, scientists received a signal from Voyager 1, but something went wrong. The probe, which had traveled farther than any object in human history, suddenly began transmitting gibberish, random junk instead of data. NASA couldn't figure out, was it a malfunction, or had Voyager found something? 1977, the Cold War. People are afraid of nuclear war, and at NASA, a handful of engineers are building a probe the size of a small car. Their plan is insane. Launch it in such a way that the gravity of the planets will accelerate Voyager and throw it out of the solar system. This planetary alignment happens once every 175 years. They couldn't be wrong. September 5, 1977. Liftoff. And Voyager began its journey. A journey that will never end. Literally, never. Jupiter. Voyager flew by and returned images that revolutionized science. The moon Io has volcanoes. The first volcanoes discovered outside of Earth. No one expected it. Scientists thought it was a dead world. Saturn.
The rings turned out to be inconsistent. Thousands of individual rings, structures, waves, like a giant vinyl record. The moon Titan has an atmosphere denser than Earth's. Every flyby is a new sensation. Every time, this can't be. And every time, it can. 1990, Voyager is already beyond Neptune. Carl Sagan has been persuading NASA for years, turn the camera back, take a picture of Earth. NASA didn't want to. The camera could have burned up in the sun, but Sagan insisted. And here it is, the picture. Earth takes up 0.12 pixels, a dot in a beam of diffuse light. Everything you loved, everything that frightened you, all the wars and all the hopes, in a single speck of dust. Sagan wrote a text that is still read today. I will read just one sentence. There is no hint that anyone from outside will come to our aid. 2012. Voyager 1 leaves the heliosphere, the solar wind bubble. It is the first in history to enter interstellar space. What's there? Scientists expected silence, emptiness. But there's noise, plasma, magnetic fields in a different direction. It has its own physics, a different environment. The boundary isn't a wall, but a transition zone stretching billions of kilometers. And here's where the real mystery begins. Because in 2023, everything went wrong. December 2023, NASA engineers receive a signal from Voyager 1. But instead of scientific data, there's junk, random numbers. One of the 3 onboard computers started writing nonsense. The signal takes 22 hours to reach the probe. The answer is another 22. Almost 2 days for each action. There's no room for error. A reboot could destroy 46 years of data. The crew, a few older engineers who built Voyager back in the 1970s. The younger ones didn't know how it worked. There was almost no documentation. They started reading old paper printouts, by hand, line by line. And in April 2024, they found it. One damaged chip in the computer's memory. They moved the code to another memory location, and Voyager began talking again. Voyager's batteries run on plutonium. By 2025, they're running low. One by one, the instruments are shutting down. Soon, silence. But the probe won't stop. Never. It will fly through the interstellar void, without power, without a signal, just like a hunk of metal at 17 kilometers per second. In 40,000 years, it will pass within 1.6 light-years of the star AC plus 793888. None of us will see it. No one will even remember it. But on board is a golden record, the music of Earth. Greetings in 55 languages, the sound of rain, a child's laughter, Chuck Berry's jazz. A message to nowhere, or to someone. Voyager is not a probe, it's a message in a bottle, thrown into a shoreless ocean.